Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. It's so great to have you here with us today. You know, they say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. What we eat in the morning sets the stage for our energy levels, our focus, and our overall health, especially as we get older. For those of us over 60, making smart breakfast choices can be a real game changer for our vitality and well-being. But with so many options out there, it can be confusing to know what's truly good for us. Some seemingly healthy breakfast foods are actually packed with hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and processed ingredients that can leave us feeling sluggish and contribute to long-term health issues. That's why today we're going to uncover 5 common morning foods that you might want to reconsider if you're over 60, and you definitely want to stick around. Because the third one on our list is something doctors are particularly concerned about, and it might just surprise you. So grab a cup of herbal tea, get comfortable, and let's dive into how we can start our days feeling our absolute best. Alright, let's get right into it with our first food, flavored instant oatmeal. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oatmeal is supposed to be a superfood, right? And you're not wrong. Plain rolled or steel-cut oats are fantastic. They're packed with fiber, particularly a type called beta-glucan, which is great for heart health and keeping you full. But here's the catch. Those convenient little packets of flavored instant oatmeal are a whole different story. They're often loaded with added sugars, artificial flavors, and sodium to make them taste like apple pie or maple brown sugar. A single packet can contain as much sugar as a candy bar. That morning, sugar rush leads to a quick energy crash. Not to mention, it can impact blood sugar management, which is a major concern for many seniors. Instead of the packets, try this. Cook some plain rolled oats on the stovetop or in the microwave. It only takes a few minutes. Then add your own natural flavor. A sprinkle of cinnamon, a handful of fresh berries, or a few chopped nuts will give you all the taste you want without the sugary downside. It's a simple swap that makes a huge difference. Coming in at number 2 on our list is something that has become a staple in many households: sweetened breakfast cereals. Walking down the cereal aisle can be overwhelming, with brightly colored boxes promising a great start to your day. Unfortunately, many of these cereals, even some that are marketed as healthy or high fiber, are just vehicles for sugar and refined carbohydrates. They are often made from processed grains that have been stripped of their natural fiber and nutrients. Eating a bowl of this stuff is like having dessert for breakfast. It spikes your blood sugar, and what goes up must come down, leaving you feeling tired and craving more sugar by mid-morning. This cycle can contribute to weight gain and make it harder to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. So, what's a better choice? If you love cereal, look for options with whole grains as the first ingredient and less than 5 grams of sugar per serving. Better yet, consider making your own granola with oats, nuts, and seeds, lightly sweetened with a touch of maple syrup. That way, you're in complete control of what goes into your morning bowl. Okay, are you ready for number 3? This is the one that many health experts are urging seniors to be particularly cautious about, and it's a breakfast classic: bacon and processed breakfast sausages. But I know, for many, a weekend breakfast isn't complete without them. They're savory, satisfying, and smell amazing while they're cooking. But here's the hard truth. Processed meats like bacon and sausage are incredibly high in sodium and saturated fats. A diet high in these can put a strain on your cardiovascular system, impacting blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which are critical health markers as we age. Furthermore, these meats are often preserved with nitrates and nitrites, which have been linked to health concerns when consumed regularly. The occasional slice of bacon as a treat is one thing, but making it a daily or even weekly habit might not be the best strategy for long-term health. Looking for a savory protein source in the morning, try a scrambled or poached egg. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein and essential nutrients. Or, if you enjoy plant-based options, a slice of whole grain toast with avocado and a sprinkle of chili flakes can be a wonderfully delicious and heart-healthy alternative. Let's move on to number 4, another breakfast time favorite: pastries and muffins. Think croissants, deniches, and those giant muffins you see at the coffee shop. They're convenient to grab on the go and they taste delicious, but nutritionally they offer very little. These items are typically made with refined white flour, tons of sugar, and unhealthy fats like butter or hydrogenated oils. They are essentially cakes disguised as breakfast. While they provide a quick burst of energy from the sugar, they lack the protein and fiber needed to keep you feeling full and satisfied. This means you'll likely be reaching for another snack long before lunchtime. This lack of sustained energy can really affect your day, leaving you feeling less focused and more fatigued. Plus, the high calorie count with low nutritional value doesn't do our bodies any favors. If you're craving something a little sweet and bread-like in the morning, why not try baking your own healthier muffins at home? You can use whole wheat flour, reduce the sugar significantly, and add in nutritious ingredients like mashed bananas, grated zucchini, or carrots. This way, you can satisfy your craving while still getting some valuable nutrients to start your day right. And finally, our 5th morning food to approach with caution is fruit juice. This one can be tricky because 100% fruit juice sounds so healthy, doesn't it? It comes from fruit, after all. But when you drink fruit juice, you re-get in all the sugar from the fruit without one of its most important components, the fiber. The fiber in whole fruit is what slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing those sharp spikes and crashes. Without the fiber, drinking a glass of apple or orange juice is almost like drinking a glass of sugar water. It can have a similar effect on your blood sugar as a can of soda. For seniors managing their blood sugar levels, this can be particularly problematic. Plus, it's very easy to consume a lot of calories from juice without feeling full. Instead of drinking your fruit, eat it. An entire orange has fiber that will fill you up and provide a slower release of energy. If you really love a morning drink, try blending a smoothie. By using whole fruits and vegetables, you keep all that beneficial fiber. You can even add a scoop of protein powder or some Greek yogurt for an extra boost to keep you energized all morning long. So there you have it, 5 common breakfast foods that might not be the best choice for those of us over 60. To recap, we talked about flavored instant oatmeal, sugary breakfast cereals, processed meats like bacon and sausage, store-bought pastries and muffins, and fruit juice. The common theme here is hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and a lack of fiber and real, lasting nutrients. But please don't feel discouraged. The goal isn't to create a list of forbidden foods, but to empower you with knowledge so you can make informed choices that make you feel fantastic. The key is to focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Think of breakfasts built around protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Things like eggs, plain Greek yogurt with berries, whole grain toast with avocado, or a bowl of plain oatmeal with nuts and fruit. These foods will provide you with the sustained energy you need to tackle your day with vigor and support your long-term health. It's all about making small, sustainable changes that add up to a big difference in how you feel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tips on living a healthy, vibrant life at any age. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your favorite healthy breakfast? Until next time, stay well and have a wonderful day.